What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make money by proofreading. You can actually make $75 or even more by just proofreading online. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities and much more on a consistent basis, and hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we dive into this, make sure you stick around, you watch the whole thing here so you don't miss out on any important information on how you can get started by proofreading. And you're probably not going to get rich with this opportunity here, so if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below this video, but we save that of course for the end of this video. But for now, let's have a look at how we can make money by proofreading. Let's get started. Okay, so first off, I'm actually going to show you a few freelance sites. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to apply to a few of those sites as a proofreader. Now we can clearly see here, if we search for proofreading here, if you have a look at Upwork, which is probably the #1 site that is really popular for all kind of freelance jobs. So we can see here that if we search by freelancer, you can see here Katrina, she's actually making $75 per hour. Okay, so that is really nice. There is 35, and I have seen around when I searched here actually even more. So you can definitely make much more also. Now the average would probably be here on Upwork like $30 or $40 per hour, which is still not bad at all. You can see that there is different skills also. This guy this lady here, she works full-time as a freelancer, proofreading and editing a range of texts. We have something else here. This is a professionally trained editor. This is a fluent in English, Spanish and German. So it all depends on your skills. If you do know a few languages there, you definitely are going to benefit from proofreading here. So what you're going to do is you're going to create an account here, and my advice would be to start low actually. I mean, bid yourself low, because that is how you will make some jobs there, and how you can of course get a good reputation later on. So just to move on a little bit here, if I do a search actually by proofreading, I mean, you can choose instead of freelancer, go for jobs. You can see that there is 1,627 jobs found on Upwork right now as I'm recording this video. Okay, and you can see here editing and proofreading 8,700 words, script for YouTube videos. This shouldn't be too hard, and there is a budget for $40. So just take up on these jobs actually to get yourself some good reputation, and then you can of course increase your budget and your prices there later on. Okay, another freelance site that I always used to mention regarding freelance jobs, no matter of what kind of freelance jobs, is Fiverr actually. And you can clearly see here that there is tons of opportunities here. I just type proofreading. You can see here I will accurately proofread and edit up to 3,000 words. It starts at $4.62, which is approximately $5, but it will definitely end up with much more. So here is a professional editor, a proofreader for 110. He is pro verified also. So I mean, you have to start exactly as I said earlier here. You have to start to sell yourself low to get a good reputation, and then move upwards of course. So you can see that there is tons of opportunities. As I said, if you do have some benefits in languages and so on, you will definitely benefit from this. Another site you can go to is also Freelancer, and on Freelancer there is definitely variations here also. You can see native English proofreading. They pay you here $8 to $15 per hour. This is $74 on average bid for a featured film script, so it could be actually proofreading some film script there. German and Dutch, if you happen to know German and Dutch there. Write a book chapter, urgent Bulgarian English translation. You can see here that there is $337 to be made here if you happen to know Bulgarian and English. So definitely, as I said, there is tons of variations and opportunities here. I just saw something. I just saw this. This could be an example for me to apply for. I mean, I'm actually born and grew up in Sweden, so I speak perfect Swedish. I could apply for this, for example. We need a native speakish writer for website translation, English and Swedish. And I could make $20 per hour for apply for this. We have an e-commerce site, so if I have a look at the details here, you can see. So there is tons of opportunities inside here, okay? We can have a look at the details, and there is 15 freelancers for the moment that are bidding on average $20 per hour for this job. So no doubt about it that it is definitely a good opportunity to make some extra money online as a proofreader. And as I said, you're definitely not going to get rich with this kind of opportunity. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you want to have a closer look at my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you like this video, got some value out of it, I really appreciate if you smash that like button. It helps a lot and I appreciate it a lot. You find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine and both are related to make money online and work from home opportunities. Make sure you subscribe to both, hit the notification bell also, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.